Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick glance at some of the features in the new dashboard that we're designing. This is just one very small, very limited piece specifically concerning AP, but specifically what I wanted to point out is how things will dynamically adjust when you click on them. So what you'll notice is that in order to drill down and look at things, we don't necessarily have to hop between several layers and several charts. The other thing that we can start doing is if I change variables on the page, it lets me look at data differently. So in this case, if I want to look at invoices and they're split up, now when I hover over them, I can see what those invoices are. And then it'll actually allow me to start filtering based on those invoices. You can see the teams over here, how it changes. And then I can go one step further and I can actually look at quantities. If you wanted to just look at it in terms of most impactful invoices or what's outstanding by quantity versus number. You also have the option of looking at the dollars associated with those invoices. So if you wanted to see what the most expensive invoices were in any given office or in any given space, you can do that just by hovering over it. Or again, if I wanted to drill down into it, so Elkhart, for example, you can see that Elkhart's most expensive invoices are these based on the data we're currently using. The other piece that I want to point out is that you can subscribe to a dashboard, which means that you can get daily updates or daily alerts. We can also create alerts around thresholds on the dashboard. So for example, since we want invoices all to be down to 0 by month end, we can actually set thresholds and say, hey, if there's 50 invoices or invoices totaling more than $10,000 within 5 days of the last day of the month, then Justin Baker is going to get an email, or Rob Griffith is going to get an email. So we can actually create targeted output based on your own thresholds. Just a quick glance at what we're doing.